Today we are at one of Helitech's newest offices in Rock Island, Illinois. For over 5 decades, Helitech has helped residents in the greater Iowa, Illinois, Missouri, and Kentucky areas to heal their homes. Since 2008, Helitech Waterproofing and Foundation Repair has been servicing homeowners throughout the Quad Cities region, and we are now honored and excited with Helitech's continued growth in this area to have this new 13,000 square foot facility as our new Quad Cities home. This newly expanded Helitech office will help us better serve as a home base for our local crews, service technicians, and project specialists that are servicing homes in the Quad Cities, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City regions. With over 100,000 homes healed, our Rock Island office now gives us 6 locations to better serve the many communities that have supported us for 5 decades strong.